Hello and welcome to another task video. In this task, we will write functions. Functions in JavaScript is one of the most powerful tools in programming. By the end of this lesson, you will learn what functions are and why they are useful, how to create a function, how to return values from a function, and how to pass information into a function. Alright, let's get started. What is function? Function is a set of instructions that does something, and you can call this function whenever you want it. So here's how you write a function. Function welcome return So this function does one thing. It returns the text, "Hi, welcome to this task video." So now let's run this function. Here you can see in the console, "Hi, welcome to my channel. It's great to meet you." And just like that, our function runs and prints the message. Step 2. Functions with parameters. What if we want to greet different people instead of always saying the same thing? That's what parameter comes in. This allows us to pass information to the function. Let's see this example. Function welcome greet, and I'm passing a name. So let's try to call this console.log welcome greet Enoch. Hi Enoch, it's great to have you here. Each time JavaScript fills in the name and gives you a personalized greetings. Try it yourself, so replace with your own name. Step 3. Returning values in a function. A function can return a result that we can store and use later. Let's create a function that doubles a number. Function double me number so now let's use it. Let result now let's use it. Let result equal to double me and give a number and pass a number, and let's print this in console. Here we can see that here is the result, and here we go, we can see the result 20 because it's doubled using this method. Step 4. Function with multiple parameters. What if we want to add two numbers together and we can use two parameters? For example, so let's try it. And pass the value. Let's try it. Console.log add numbers 3, 2. Here we go, we can see the value 5, the answer, and it has used this method add numbers and passed 3, 2. And when I say console.log add numbers, it goes to this function and passes this value 3, 2 and returns 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Try it yourself and use different numbers and see what happens. Step 5. Functions that return multiple values. Normally a function can only return one value, but what if we need to return multiple things? One solution is to return an object. How do I do that? Function get user info name, age. Return in this case we are going to return an object. Return username name user age. So now let's call it. Let user equal to get user info Enoch 39. And let's print this now. Let's print this now. Here we go. Now instead of returning just one thing, the function gives us both the name and the age because it's an object. Try it yourself and change the value and see what happens. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. What functions are and how they make code reusable. How to create a function using function name. How to pass values, parameters into function. And how to return a value from a function. And also how to return multiple, and we also learn how to return multiple values using object. Functions are a huge part of JavaScript. We will use them in every project. Keep practicing by creating your own function. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in another task.